In this video, I show you how to create and send a DocuSign document for free. Whether you are signing documents yourself or sending them to others, DocuSign makes it fast and easy. First, head over to the DocuSign website and click Sign Up Free. Choose personal use, which lets you sign unlimited documents yourself and send up to 3 documents to others for signatures. Fill in your name, email, and create a secure password. Then click Start Now to create your account. Once logged in, click Start or New, then select Send an envelope. This is DocuSign's term for sending documents. Next, click Upload to add your file. DocuSign supports PDFs, Word documents, and more. After uploading, click Next to add your recipients. Enter their names and email addresses. If you are signing the document yourself, select Needs to Sign and enter your own email. Now it's time to add signature fields. Simply drag and drop fields like signature, date signed, and initials onto the document where needed. Finally, click Send if it's going to someone else, or Sign if you're signing it yourself. After signing, you can download a PDF copy for your records, and you'll also receive it via email. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent a free DocuSign document. Enjoy the ease and efficiency of managing your important documents digitally.